friends, here's a robot creation game. You're going to need a dice or something with numbers on it, and you're going to create a robot. So what you're going to do is, there's a page here that has the numbers on them that will be connected to the numbers on the dice. My dice go up and down, even though this goes side to side. So this is 2 and this is 2. So with 2, you're going to select an arm. So here's the playing board. And you're going to need an adult's help to cut apart all these robot pieces. So here's the heads that you'll get to choose from. Some arms that you'll get to choose from. Lots of arms, different colors. Feet that you'll get to choose from. And bellies that you'll get to choose from. And you're going to build a robot based on this number. So you're going to roll the dice. Number 3, 1, 2, 3, and here's number 3. So you're going to build a belly. So you're going to put the belly on there, and you're going to keep going till you get all the pieces. If you get number 6, you get to choose what piece you need. This is going to be lots of fun, and you can play with up to about 4 people. I think there's enough pieces for 4 people, maybe more. Count them. Figure out how many people can play at one time. Have fun, friends. Bye.